first animal communicator in our country who I know of.
There was one black color Labrador who came to our boarding in the farm. Her name is Shireen. And she came when she was really old. We felt that she's really old, but we were told that she's just 8 years old. मैंने अपने हेल्पर को बोला कि इसको बगल वाले सीट में बिठाओ, उसको मेरे ऊपर सुलाओ, ताकि गाड़ी में जाते जाते मैं इसको प्यार करते हुए जाऊंगी. Because I had to travel all the way from Chhatarpur to Noida. I used to do it. तो एवरी डे बेचारी उसको वही सुई लगना है, ड्रिप लगनी है. तो मैंने उसको बोला कि यहाँ बिठा दो. While I was driving on Gurgaon Faridabad highway, all of a sudden in between I didn't feel her on my lap. Then I started exploring what is animal communication. If there is a tool that can keep you connected with somebody who is not in the physical form, they are dead, then what is it? Because that was a trauma which was there inside, and Shireen just showed me a way that you need to explore it.
And how easy or tough it is to actually communicate with an animal.
Taking on इतना बड़ा emotional topic है, they come to take on so many things in their human's life. So they come for a betterment, to give lessons, what the humans have to learn in there.
You ever seen a difference in both pet and kids जो coexist कर रहे हैं घर में? Like जिस घर में pets हैं, बच्चों का mindset कैसा different होता है and pets का कैसे होता है?
So as you all know, pets के साथ अगर बच्चा बड़ा हो रहा है तो उनका immune system बहुत तगड़ा वाला होता है.
Bowen therapy is just about massaging.
No, it's a big myth.
Hello and welcome to yet another beautiful and candid episode of my podcast, Beautifully Candid with Gurpreet, #keeping it real. दोस्तों, अगर आपको याद हो तो कुछ टाइम पहले मैंने अपने Instagram पे ना एक क्वेश्चन स्टिकर डाला था जिसपे मैंने पूछा था कि बताओ अगला गेस्ट कौन होना चाहिए मेरे पॉडकास्ट पे, एंड जो मैक्सिमम आंसर आया था ना वो था एनिमल कम्युनिकेटर के लिए. एंड व्हेन आई थॉट अबाउट इट, आई थॉट किसी को भी थोड़ा ना ले आऊँगी. आई विल गेट someone who probably is one of the first animal communicator in our country who I know of. And what better can it get? So we have here Asha Arun. Welcome, Asha.
Thank you so much, Gurpreet, for having me.
Pleasure is all mine. तो आज हम बात करेंगे animal communication से related, of course, and उसके अलावा आपकी journey, right? Because the audience that I have is full of empathy and love for animals, right? So let's start, and I would want to understand, Asha, आपकी journey कैसे start हुई?
So whenever I talk about this, I would first like to give my gratitude for Sniffy. Sniffy is my pug, who came with us when we didn't even think of such things of having pets. हम बैंगलोर से हैं. दिल्ली जैसे मेरे हस्बैंड को काम मिला, that's when I said okay, let me take a dog because I have been grown up with dogs all the time. तो तब मैंने एक पग को लिया था एंड मेरे सेम फ्लाइट में वो भी उड़ा मेरे साथ दिल्ली. That's when our journey started into the animal world. And then there was an add-on because Sniffy was alone and I used to work in a corporate 9 to 6 and दोनों अकेले थे तो मैंने काम छोड़ दिया. And that's how the journey picked up. So when we used to travel to Bangalore, we used to always feel that there's no good boarding, which we were getting here those days. Back in 2009, 2010 is what I'm talking. So every time we used to go to Bangalore, Sniffy used to travel on the flight. And हमसे ज़्यादा उसका ticket cost होता था. And he was a regular customer of SpiceJet.
Okay.
And then Charlie, then we used to travel on train. Then हमें एक thought आया कि why not we start a boarding, because there are a lot of pet parents like us who have been struggling. That's when we started a boarding in an apartment where we used to live. So we used to have fun. Because we lived in an apartment, we didn't want to have a commitment of having more pets because they need space. We used to enjoy with 2-3 pets. ऐसे शुरू हुआ journey. So just to cut it short, from apartment life to an independent house, we went because we used to get a lot of pets.
Yeah.
And we wanted a garden space. And then life gave us a farmhouse, a beautiful farmhouse chose us, and we went there. I think I met your pet Muffin,
Yeah.
who came in an independent house.
Yeah.
And then farmhouse में जाके boarding बड़ा हुआ. And there was one black color Labrador who came to our boarding in the farm.
Okay.
Her name is Shireen. And she came when she was really old. We felt that she's really old, but we were told that she's just 8 years old. Shireen 8 साल की थी एंड ओनर के साथ जैसे कॉन्वर्जेशन हो रहा था, उनको इतना ख्याल नहीं था शिरीन का कि वो छोड़ के जा रहे हैं. वो 3 महीने के लिए आई थी. एंड ओनर टोल्ड मी दैट वो रोमेनिया जा रहे हैं वहाँ पे उनके गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ, एंड ही इज़ गोइंग टू गेट मैरिड टू हर देयर. एंड उनकी मॉम भी उनके साथ जा रहे थे. तो तब तक जब तक उनके मॉम वापस ना आए, शिरीन हमारे पास रहना है, इज़ व्हाट दे सेड. आई एम सॉरी फॉर माई हिंदी बिकॉज आई एम फ्रॉम बैंगलोर. आती आता जाता एंड ऑल इज़ अ मेस, बट आई वुड लव टू पुट इट अप इन हिंदी. तो शिरीन जैसे रहने लगी, स्टार्टिंग में वो खाना खाने लगी थी, बट बीच में उसने खाना छोड़ दिया. जैसे बोर्डिंग का बच्चा आता है, स्टार्टिंग में खाना छोड़ देते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ एंग्जाइटी एक्सेट्रा. ये उल्टा हुआ. तब हम इसको डॉक्टर के पास लेके गए. तब हमें पता चला कि इसके हेल्थ में बहुत सारे कॉम्प्लिकेशंस थे. जैसे इसका कैंसरियस ट्यूमर था जो निकाला गया था. हर किडनी वॉज फेल्ड एंड ओनर्स ने हमें कुछ नहीं बताया था. But then, because it was a kidney failure, Arun and me, my husband and me, we started taking her for IV. Morning और evening दोनों टाइम IV उसको देना था. एंड हम दोनों इसको लेके जाते थे. धीरे धीरे करके उसने खाना भी छोड़ दिया. इट वॉज़ लाइक उसके मुंह देख के ही हमें पता लगता था कि इसको बाउंस बैक, लाइफ में बाउंस बैक करने की इच्छा नहीं है. शी इज़ लॉस्ट दैट होप. शी डजंट वांट टू. बट वी वर डूइंग आवर ड्यूटी. मॉर्निंग मैं जाती थी, इवनिंग अरुण जाते थे. एक दिन अरुण ऑफिस जा रहे थे तो उन्होंने बोला कि आशा, शिरीन ना मुझे बिल्कुल घूर रही थी. शी वॉज नॉट एबल टू मूव हर बॉडी, बट दैट डे शी वॉज लिफ्टिंग हर हेड एंड शी लुक्ड इन टू अरुण्स हाइट्स. तो अरुण ने बोला कि कुछ तो है, वो बोलना चाहती थी, लेकिन मैं निकल गया ऑफिस के लिए. तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, मैं अभी डॉक्टर के पास जा रही हूँ, फिर बाद में बात करेंगे इसके बारे में. एवरी डे इन द कार आई यूज़ टू मेक हर सिट ऑन माई रेयर सीट. लेकिन उस दिन पता नहीं मुझे क्या आया, क्या हुआ, मैंने अपने हेल्पर को बोला कि इसको बगल वाले सीट में बिठाओ, उसको मेरे ऊपर सुलाओ, ताकि गाड़ी में जाते जाते मैं इसको प्यार करते हुए जाऊंगी. बिकॉज आई हैड टू ट्रैवल ऑल द वे फ्रॉम छतरपुर टू नोएडा. आई यूज़ टू डू इट. तो एवरी डे बेचारी उसको वही सुई लगना है, ड्रिप लगनी है. तो मैंने उसको बोला कि यहाँ बिठा दो. वाइल आई वॉज ड्राइविंग ऑन गुड़गांव फरीदाबाद हाईवे, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन इन बिटवीन आई डिडंट फील हर ऑन माई लैप. And I didn't have the strength to look at her. I called the whole world that I'm not feeling Shireen on my lap. I didn't stop my गाड़ी. I came to the clinic. फिर डॉक्टर ने आके confirm किया that she is no more. And then I bursted out crying. फिर वापस गई, ऐसे ही गई, वो जैसी सोई थी वैसे ही सो रही थी, ऐसे ही उसके साथ मैं गई. फिर अरुण को कॉल किया. He was in a meeting. He couldn't come out of it in between. तो शिरीन ने मुझे उसका सारा जो रिचुअल्स है एट द एंड पूरा मेरे हाथ से कराया. एंड टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, आई एम अ पर्सन हु इज स्केयर्ड ऑफ इवन वन ड्रॉप ऑफ ब्लड, because I have seen a lot of deaths in my family, including my dad's, at a very early age. So I have this trauma inside. तो मेरे पहले पेट का भी ऑपरेशन के लिए मैं बैंगलोर भेज दिया था मॉम के पास कि आप देख लो, पोस्ट ऑपरेशन भी देख लो और फिर भेजो. सो कमिंग बैक टू शिरीन, उसके बाद हमें ना लगा कि क्या हमने सब कुछ किया शिरीन के लिए उसके हिसाब से, उसको खुशी मिल रही थी उससे, या उसको कुछ और चाहिए था जो हमने नहीं किया. सो दिस गिल्ट वॉज किलिंग अस. बीइंग अ पेट पेरेंट हमें लगता है कि हमने किया या नहीं फॉर आवर ओन डॉग, बिकॉज शी वॉज अ बोर्डर एंड देयर पेरेंट्स डिडंट नीड हर. So then I started looking for my answers. That's when this animal communication वाला मैंने सोचा कि मैं ट्राई करूँगी. पहले भी मुझे पता था ये है, but I was an anti-animal communication person. I never felt that I have to trust all this. ये सब पैसे के लिए होता है is what I used to think.
Yeah.
So I really appreciate those people who think like that even today. Because that day when I was so helpless, that's when I started looking for an animal communicator. फिर जो communicator ने शिरीन के बारे में बोला मुझे, and she also said one thing, that Shireen will stay with you in the energy form for 6 months to show her gratitude for what you have done for her.
Oh wow.
That was something like which struck into me. I said, energy form में कैसे रह सकती है? And I was like a kid. I was asking her, हम भूटान ड्राइव कर रहे हैं next week. तो do you mean to say Shireen हमारे साथ आएगी वहाँ तक? That was like unbelievable for me. Something new. Then she said, yes, if she decides so, she will come with you. And there are a lot of things which validated to me while I was traveling to Bhutan, because Shireen का ashes हम on the way वाराणसी में गंगा में बहा के फिर हम जाना चाहते थे. So there were a lot of scenarios where Shireen saved us from lot of things on our way because we were driving. So these things added a lot of validations to me that wow, there's something that we don't know. Then I started exploring what is animal communication. If there is a tool that can keep you connected with somebody who is not in the physical form, they are dead, then what is it? Because that was a trauma which was there inside, and Shireen just showed me a way that you need to explore it.
Right.
That's when I started learning. Not many people were teaching those days. So thanks to my mentors who just taught me this. And I learned this to talk to my boarders, my own pets. As you know now, we have 6 dogs, 3 horses and 7 cows, and boarding dogs and street dogs whom we feed. So I learned this to understand them better according to their perception.
Right.
That's when the journey started.
Right. Oh, beautiful. I mean, कहते हैं ना, there has to be a trigger or a light that comes in your life, और फिर आप कुछ action लेते हो. So let's talk more about telepathy, right? In itself, the word explains that आप कुछ किसी से कुछ कनेक्ट कर रहे हो, एंड आई थिंक ह्यूमन टेलीपैथीज भी होती हैं, बट एनिमल टेलीपैथी जब आप करते हो, यू नो, व्हाट आर द 2 or 3 key things that you consider, and how easy or tough it is to actually communicate with an animal?
It's pretty easy to talk to an animal because animals are always grounded, and वो past या future में नहीं रहते. They always live the present moment. So it's pretty easier to connect with an animal and get answers. But I would say that everybody are doing this unknowingly in this world.
Really?
It's not that we have to learn this. This is like inbuilt. It's an innate ability one is born with. But we are unaware of
it. So, Asha, even I have a pet, right? And बहुत बारी ऐसे होता है कि मैं genuinely उससे बात करती हूँ, and I feel कि वो मुझे देख के बता पा रहा है कि what is happening to me, right? But बहुत बारी ना ये सुनने को भी मिलता है that you're crazy. How can you talk to a dog? Like मेरी आदत बन चुकी है कि अगर मुझे कोई stray दिख रहा है या कोई भी animal दिख रहा है, I'll just interact. But I am tagged as a crazy person कि तुम ज़्यादा ही हो रही हो, है ना? Because people who do not relate to animals, who are scared, और आजकल empathy भी कम है लोगों में. I'll be very honest, right? They say कि it's all fake things, इंसानों पे ध्यान दे लो, है ना? So how do you explain to them कि animals are purer souls is what I feel. मैं हर किसी को ये बोलती हूँ, इंसान ज़्यादा खतरनाक हो रहे हैं आजकल. Do you align to this? Do you have an experience with animals which you know, you would probably have spoken to when they've given you a story which was brutal and you know they wanted to say कि हमें help चाहिए थी but किसी ने करी नहीं?
Okay, interesting. So first thing, when I come to your first question, when you say that how do you explain or tell them that animals are important?
Yeah.
So I have stopped doing this. Because at a point क्या होता है ना, कोई भी बताई हुई चीज़ें इम्प्रिंट होना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. When somebody experiences it by themselves, when that time comes, if that time comes for them, then उनको वो अंडरस्टैंड करना बहुत ईजी होता है. अगर मैं किसी को बताऊंगी वो नहीं मानेंगे. अगर उनका सिचुएशन आया और खुद को वो एक्सपीरियंस करना पड़ा, देन दे विल एक्सेप्ट इट ग्रेसफुली. सो आई अलाउ देम टू डू दैट एंड आई डू नॉट पुश somebody to accept that. देखो हमारे हार्ट्स में एनिमल्स के लिए प्यार है. इट्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड दैट अदर पर्सन ऑल्सो शुड फील द सेम.
करेक्ट.
Because after doing animal communication, this is the difference I have got. Because I have started understanding and respecting their perception of thinking, even when I do communication. So even it applies to humans.
Right.
अगर उनको नहीं है तो नहीं है.
Correct.
Their journey is different. Let it be. If you want to do, you just do it. But you can't force somebody to do it. Let them experience it if they have it in their journey.
Right.
Is
Fair
what
enough.
I say.
And of course, animals or any living creature is a soul, right? That decides to come in your life. बहुत बारी हमें लगता है कि हम चूज कर रहे हैं, but होता ही है कि वो हमें चूज कर रहे होते हैं. So there is a karmic connection. But ये थोड़ा tricky question है आशा. I have met a couple of people जो बोलते हैं कि उनके एस्ट्रोलॉजर ने उन्हें बोला है कि कुत्ता मत पालो या बिल्ली मत पालो because it will work anti their it won't work for them. How true is that? Do you believe ऐसा होता है या do you think everybody brings some positivity?
Right. Especially animals and nature always bring positivity, always bring good luck for you, and they're always your protectors is my belief. आप खुद देख लो कि कितना हम नुकसान कर रहे नेचर का, एनिमल्स का भी. Though they are not doing something, we do something to them. They never have this revengeful attitude. Right? Though you are bad to them, they are always your protectors. So my belief personally is animals never come to harm you. Rather, they come for a reason to grow beautifully with you. To take there are mirroring aspect जहाँ पे वो आपको copy कर रहे हैं to tell you that hey listen this is wrong what you're doing please change. Yeah. So that's when you say अरे मुझे ये dog मिल गया इतना aggressive है. Aggressive क्यों है? क्योंकि वो कुछ ना कुछ बता रहा है टू ब्रिंग अ चेंज इन योर फैमिली. टेकिंग ऑन इतना बड़ा इमोशनल टॉपिक है. दे कम टू टेक ऑन सो मेनी थिंग्स इन देयर ह्यूमन्स लाइफ. सो दे कम फॉर अ बेटरमेंट to give lessons what the humans have to learn in their journey.
Right.
So they are never negative. Never.
I would want to kind of echo that, but again, coming to a point जहाँ पे आप बोल रहे हो कि वो revenge नहीं लेते हैं, they're always nice, right? आजकल ना एक ट्रेंड है सोशल मीडिया पे कि they will show clips of dogs attacking a child, attacking a human, and maybe it's not a full story, but I don't also want to negate कि genuinely शायद strays ने किसी को bite कर लिया है and all that. What do you feel about all those videos and the negativity that's going around?
Yeah, I really feel bad for those people who have been attacked by dogs and bitten by them. Definitely, I feel sad for them, of course. But unfortunately, in human world, we have lost respect for other beings. We do not coexist. मतलब हमें लगता है कि हम कुछ भी करें उनको कुछ रिएक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. जैसे मैं अभी यहाँ बैठी हूँ और मुझे पहले का ट्रॉमा है, अगर कोई मुझे ऐसे टच भी करेगा तो मैं थप्पड़ मार दूंगी उनको. सो पहले का कुछ ट्रॉमा चल रहा है मुझे. तो कोई भी आए, मेरा क्लोज फ्रेंड ही हो, मुझे नहीं पता, आई एम डूइंग समथिंग, दे कम एंड टच, थप्पड़ तो मारूंगी मैं. सो आई कांट बिकम अ क्रिमिनल. राइट. व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड मी slapping that person has to be understood to bring a solution to it. It's a joint work, it's a teamwork, right? We can't blame neither dogs nor humans for doing it. We all need to coexist. Both need to understand each other. I'm not also blaming only humans, क्योंकि बहुत सिनेरियोस में बच्चे बुरी तरह से कटे हुए हैं. So we need to work for the betterment because हमें ये सोचना है कि दोनों को रहना है. ये नहीं कि इनको हटा दो, एमसीडी में भेज दो,
Correct.
दोनों को रहना है. So what is it that we can bring a change?
Right.
So even they can be traumatized by multiple events what has happened, because देखो street dogs already they're already in a survival mode.
Yeah.
And उनको बहुत लोगों ने कुछ ना कुछ ट्रोमैटिक इंसिडेंट्स तो कराया होगा जिससे उनको लगता है कि अरे ये भी बंदा ऐसे कर लेगा, और मे बी दे आर गेटिंग अ वेरी नेगेटिव वाइब, और दे आर डिफेंडिंग देमसेल्व्स वेयर द रिएक्शन कमिंग फ्रॉम द अदर पर्सन इज वेरी डिफरेंट. तो वहाँ स्केर आ रहा है या वहाँ पे मार धाड़ होने वाला है, तो इनका रिएक्शन अलग हो जाता है. सो it triggers them to do something.
Right.
So maybe I would invite lot of people. One of my friend is already doing it. Her name is Bhavna Gakar. She's going to schools and she is telling the kids how to handle pets. अगर वो अकेले जा रहे हैं रोड पे, स्ट्रीट डॉग्स है, तो उनके साथ कैसे बिहेव करना है. I want lot of people to take this initiative and give such behavioral things to the people so that they know what is the reaction and how I have to behave.
Yeah, and I think it's very important. Now that I have a child and I also have a dog, मुझे ये realize होता है कि दोनों की boundaries बैठाना बहुत ज़रूरी है, right?
True.
Pets are always loving and so are kids, but not necessarily a kid would love to be licked or a pet would love to be patted badly. क्योंकि जब छोटे होते हैं तो आँख में उंगली घुसाना, नाक में उंगली घुसाना, वो बच्चे का एक exploration mode होता है. And with my child, I try to tell him to be gentle. I think being gentle is important with anyone, even humans. So I see a difference. But I want to hear from you. Have you ever seen a difference in both pet and kids जो कोएग्जिस्ट कर रहे हैं घर में, लाइक जिस घर में पेट्स हैं, बच्चों का माइंडसेट कैसा डिफरेंट होता है एंड पेट्स का कैसे होता है?
अमेजिंग. सो एज यू ऑल नो, पेट्स के साथ अगर बच्चा बड़ा हो रहा है तो उनका इम्यून सिस्टम बहुत तगड़ा वाला होता है. दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट एलर्जीज और देयर इम्यूनिटी लेवल इज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग, दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू कैच लॉट ऑफ इन्फेक्शंस वेरी इजीली. सो दैट्स अमेजिंग थिंग विच आई हैव सीन इन मेनी ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स पेट्स and their kids who are coexisting. And दूसरा ये होता है कि पेट के जैसे भी वो ट्रेन हो जाते हैं, sit, stay, eat, jump. And I had seen a funny video where one of my client moved to Singapore. उनके पास 2 beautiful Labradors थे जो मेरे पास बोर्डिंग में आते थे. She delivered also. So we have seen all those phases. अभी वो दोनों किचन के अंदर नहीं आएंगे, गेट लगा दिया, बच्चा भी वहीं पे 4 लेग में ऐसे वेट कर रहा है. सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, कंडीशनिंग इज हैपनिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू देम. Kid will learn how to be grounded, how to respect other beings, which is very important, where humans have lost that fact. So the only thing what I have seen in kids is they ask permission. वो सो रहा है, आंटी उसको जगाना मत, he will get disturbed. This will come only when it is taught by the pet parent, of course, and also when they grow up with them.
Right.
मुझे कैसे लगेगा अगर मैं डीप स्लीप में हूँ, मुझे उठा दिया, I get irritated. My pet is also the same. The same treatments. वो आ जाता है उनके hearts में, and it's easier for them, such kids, to change the world, the future. I feel that's what is happening now, which I see.
I think this is very one of the most important topics, right? Because हमारी future generation कैसे बढ़ रही है is something that we need to think about. But coming back to animal communication, Asha, I'm sure आपने बहुत animal से communicate किया है. I also know कि जब lost हो जाते हैं animals, you've helped a lot of people in finding them. Right? कोई ऐसी story है जो आपको किसी pet ने या किसी stray ने ऐसे बताया हो and you probably, it was spooky or it was a little scary for you, but it some way helped someone. ऐसा कुछ हुआ है कभी?
I started my communication with missing animals.
Okay.
तो क्या होता था, communication जब हम learn करते हैं, communicate कर रहे होते हैं, हमें validations चाहिए, क्योंकि as a normal human being अगर कोई आपको proof देगा तब आप समझने लगेंगे हाँ this is right. सो इवन फॉर मी दैट कीड़ा वॉज देयर कि वैलिडेशन मुझे चाहिए कि मैं करेक्ट बोल रही हूँ या गलत बोल रही हूँ. तो आई यूज टू टॉक टू सो मेनी एनिमल्स हु आर मिसिंग. उसमें क्या होता था, व्हेन एनिमल्स नीड हेल्प, कि हाँ मुझे हेल्प चाहिए, मैं ये लैंडमार्क्स दे रहा हूँ, एंड दे यूज टू गिव मी लैंडमार्क्स, एंड द सेम यूज टू टोल्ड टू द ह्यूमन. मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस समटाइम्स वुड बी इन US, Canada, where I have never been, in some part of the village. So when humans used to say, आशा आपने ये बोला, ये यहाँ पे है, आपने ये नंबर दिया, ये यहाँ पे है, और मुझे एनिमल यहाँ से मिल गया. So that used to be like, wow, what is this? You know, it was like, wow. Every time I used to get shocked, I used to get surprised, and I used to feel happy. So missing animals have been always my favorite ones to communicate. Everything is, but this gave me validations to trust myself, trust the messages what they are giving, and slowly I moved on to the general communications, which I call like आपके pet का health related हो गया, because it's a big thing. When I'm not trusting myself, my messages, I can't tell a pet parent कि आपके pet का health में problem है, kidneys का weak है. ऐसे कुछ बोलने के लिए you need to trust your messages, because it comes with a great responsibility. You can't just take everything for granted because it's so emotional. And you need to be responsible for what you're doing. तो ये responsibility मुझे आया missing pets से, because I started trusting myself more and more. So when I'm talking about missing pets, I would definitely like to give my gratitude and credit to Mia. Mia is a Labrador. They lived in Uttarakhand. उनका घर बिल्कुल लास्ट में था, जहाँ पे उनका घर है, फिर फॉरेस्ट स्टार्ट होता है. The human called me and said, आशा 6 महीने से मिया गायब है. मैंने बहुत सारे कम्युनिकेटर से बात कर लिया, अभी तक वो मिली नहीं है. एंड ही वॉज अ डिप्रेशन पेशेंट. मिया जब आई थी, उसने वहाँ से उनको निकाला. दैट्स हाउ ब्यूटिफुल देयर स्टोरी इज. उनके पास 2-3 और डॉग्स भी है, बट मिया इज़ मिसिंग. कैन यू प्लीज़ हेल्प? तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा टेंशन स्टार्ट हो गया कि क्या मैं, यू नो, यू विल बिकम अ डिटेक्टिव. ऐसे कोई आते हैं एंड यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग दैट इमोशन कि कैसे भी करके मुझे मिया को ढूंढना ही पड़ेगा. तो दैट वाज प्रेशराइजिंग ऑन मी. एंड देन व्हेन आई स्पोक टू मिया, मिया जस्ट टोल्ड मी 60 kilometers. That was the thing she gave first, and then she showed me a picture of a old चाय वाला दुकान नहीं होता, टूटा फूटा वैसे वाला दुकान, जहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत बिस्किट्स बन्स वगैरह मिल जाते हैं, वैसे एक शॉप. एंड देन एक पुलिस चौकी दिखाया उसने ये शॉप के बिहाइंड. एंड देन शी टोल्ड मी दैट, आई आस्क्ड हर वेयर डू यू स्टे. देन शी सेज मॉर्निंग टिल इवनिंग आई एम नियर दिस शॉप. वहाँ पे मेरा खाना वाना हो जाता है. एंड देन आई गो टू द शी शोड मी हाफ कंस्ट्रक्टेड हाउस, थोड़ी वहीं से थोड़ी दूर फॉरेस्ट में. वहाँ जाके मैं सो जाती हूँ, फिर से मॉर्निंग आ जाती हूँ. दिस इज़ हर रूटीन. एंड शी शोड मी, शी जूम्ड एज इफ कैमरा जूम करता है ना एक चीज़ पे, जैसे हम ये देख रहे हैं इस पे जूम करते हैं. शी जूम्ड इनटू हर बॉडी एंड शी शोड मी अ स्कार विच वाज वेरी डीप स्कार, एंड जो भर गया था.
ओके,
ये सब इसने दिखाया. एंड आई सेड द सेम टू द ह्यूमन. फिर उन्होंने रात को मुझे मैसेज किया एक मैप के साथ, आशा 60 किलोमीटर्स में बहुत सारे पुलिस चौकियाँ हैं, तो इसमें कहाँ जाऊँगा मैं. देन आई वेंट बैक टू मिया. आई सेड थोड़ा बहुत अगर कुछ और तुम्हें लगता है कि दे सकते हो तो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो. देन शी शोड मी दैट व्हेन यू आर ट्रैवलिंग, व्हेन यू आर कमिंग डाउन फ्रॉम अपहिल, तो पहले आपको एक हैंगिंग ब्रिज दिखेगा, एंड देन आपको एक गॉडेस का छोटू सा टेम्पल दिखेगा. गॉडेस का, शी शोड मी ब्यूटिफुल मार्बल गॉडेस. एंड देन उसके बाद वाला जो पुलिस चौकी है ना, दैट्स वेयर आई एम सेइंग. एंड ऑल्सो शी टोल्ड मी, आई हियर पीपल टॉकिंग अबाउट द नेम ऑफ द प्लेस एंडिंग विथ गढ़, GARH. That was quite interesting for me. I said, अच्छा. फिर मुझे अपने आप पे ट्रस्ट नहीं था, बोलूँ नहीं बोलूँ, पता नहीं अगर ये प्लेस होगा या नहीं. बट आई सेड एंड देन द नेक्स्ट डे इवनिंग मेरे दिमाग में यही चल रहा था कि मियाँ मिल गई नहीं मिली, क्या हुआ. आई वॉज ड्राइविंग, देयर वॉज अ मैसेज केम फ्रॉम हिम एंड आई ओपनड इट. इट वॉज Mia who has turned and looking at him.
Oh.
And he said, Asha, please talk to her. Is that Mia only? Then she said, yes, of course, I am Mia. Then he told, yes, मैं ये दुकान पे आया हूँ, यहीं पे हूँ अभी. मैंने मिया बोला, तुरंत उसने टर्न करके मुझे देखा. And he could not recognize her because 6 months में बहुत ज़्यादा पतली सुखड़ी हो गई थी. She had told me that she was attacked by a wild. And she escaped from there.
Okay.
So वो स्कार भी उन्होंने देखा. एंड दुकान वाले ने कंफर्म किया कि पता नहीं सर, सुबह मतलब शाम को चली जाती है, सुबह आ जाती है और यहाँ इसका खाना वाना दे देते हैं, ये बहुत महीनों से आ रही है. That was their reunion story and he is written that in most of the places in social media because I didn't charge him. I said no. So he was very happy. So in return he wanted to write about his story. You can find Mia and his story. I can share that.
How beautiful, Asha. And in fact I remember मैंने अपने डॉग का कम्युनिकेशन भी कराया था आपसे. And अभी भी हमें गूज़बम्स आते हैं. Every time I refer back to your chat, you know, it was hard to believe कि इतना बोलते हैं यार ये लोग. I mean, the way he spoke about me, मैंने पहले तो उसको डांट मारी कि भैया क्या चल रहा है तुम मेरे बारे में ऐसा सोचते हो. But they're very honest, right? And it is, again, for people, I have so many friends who are pet parents, उनको यकीन नहीं होता है अभी भी कि गुरप्रीत सच में होता है क्या.
Right.
And I tell them कि this is the chat, read it. It's very confidential क्योंकि उसने मेरे कुछ बुराइयां भी करी हैं, but it is a fact, right?
Right.
So that is beautiful and I genuinely feel कि सबको एक ना एक बार ऐसा करके देखना चाहिए because you know you get to know what's happening. I still remember जब मफिन को चोट लगी थी and you know that was by chance कि मैंने आपको बोला कि communicate करो. I was out at the market and you said he's saying I can't breathe.
Yeah.
And when I reached home and I found him full of bandages and I did not know about the incident that had happened with him and I was just in tears कि क्या हो गया. And निकला ये कि उसका जो डॉक्टर ने बैंडेज किया था वो उसको थ्रोट पे बांध दिया था and he couldn't breathe. So I took him to an emergency and उन्होंने बस वो बैंडेज खोला, उसके ईयर पे छोटा सा कट लगा था बट उसकी वजह से पूरा and he was normal. तो मुझे लगा कि यार ये भी पूछ ही लेती, मैं आशा से मेरे पैसे बच जाते. बट या इट इज़ अ पावरफुल टूल. तो आशा मैंने तो बोल दिया कि आइडियली ये सबको ट्राई करनी चाहिए, बट इन व्हाट सिनेरियोज और सिचुएशंस शुड people ideally reach out to you for animal communication?
Okay. The first category I would say is general communication. General communication में जो आता है health related, very important. अगर working people है, घर में pet anxious होता है, तो what is it that we can do according to the pet's perception to make him feel better? Because this is a very normal scenario nowadays. And knowing likes and dislikes of the pet, very important. And health मैंने अभी cover किया. Drives पे जाना, traveling अच्छा लगता है या नहीं अच्छा लगता है.
Okay.
Food related, very important. Fussy eaters बहुत सारे होते हैं. So food related is a very important thing is what I would say. And messages for their humans. They have beautiful messages for their humans, which they want to enlighten them in their path. आगे क्या करना चाहिए अगर बोलना है उनको, तो futuristic foresee करके भी बोल सकते हैं. But at the same time, it's not astrology. However, animals will hold back and tell whatever is required at that point for their humans. Okay. And very emotional bit of it is animals who have left their physical form. उनसे हम बात कर सकते हैं because those animals always needs to give some messages to their humans. Humans need closures. एकदम से मेरा pet चला गया, I need a closure. मुझे उसको euthanize करना पड़ा, which I didn't want to. I need a closure. I'm feeling guilty about it. क्या मेरे pet ने सब कुछ किया, happy है क्या? Happy था जब वो था मेरे साथ, वो question. So basically getting a closure. And also one beautiful thing is about reincarnation. क्या मेरा pet मेरे पास वापस आएगा? किसी फॉर्म में,
Oh.
या नहीं आएगा, आएगा तो किस फॉर्म में आएगा, कब आएगा.
अच्छा.
So all these questions, you know, you get beautiful answers. And yeah, apart from that, I think missing animals का अभी मैं नहीं ले रही हूँ, because your availability for that should be there.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
So वो थोड़ा सा हो रहा है, but otherwise these are the scenarios where a parent can approach a communicator.
Okay.
And they can always DM me for that. And I'm very much happy to talk to all animals,
So
whoever choose me.
Talking about reincarnation,
Yeah.
right? Sounded very interesting. कोई है ऐसा जिसने बोला हो कि मैं आऊँगा और वो आया?
Yeah. So there are lot of stories I can share, out of which I want to keep it very crisp. There are two stories which I would like to share. There was a cat by name Billu.
Okay.
Husband and wife called me. They were devastated in the month of October. They said that Billu passed. Is there any messages for us? And he gave lot of messages. हमने उससे पूछा कि are you going to come back? Then Billu said, yes, I'm going to come back in 6 to 8 months.
Oh.
That's what he said.
Okay.
And after that, after 6 months or 7 months, I got a call from the same people. And in between वो टच में रहे, बहुत सारे किटन्स का फोटोज भेज रहे थे मुझे एंड ऑल दो स्टफ्स. Please ask whether he's Billu. Please ask whether he's Billu.
Oh, okay.
And there was a no coming. And one day they just told me that Ooty से कोई kitten का पिक्चर भेजा उनके relatives ने, because they were really not themselves in their life. तो उन्होंने भेजा and उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि ये kitten है आशा. Please ask him whether he's Billu. The minute I saw his photo, he said, क्या वेट कर रहे हैं, मुझे घर लेके जाने के लिए बोलो, मैं बिल्लू हूँ. I said, okay. And then they got Billu all the way from Ooty to, I think, Chennai. That's where they were living. आने के बाद, they sent me the photos. First day, he's come, he's seen these humans, and it never felt like it was a first day. ये जैसा था कि उसको सब पता था जो बिल्लू कर रहा है, एंड उसको ये भी पता था कि वो ह्यूमन डैड के लैप पे जाके उसी पोजीशन में कर्ल अप होके सो गया.
Oh wow.
And they were into tears. They called me and said, Asha, thank you for the communication. Billu is back and we can feel with the validations what he's giving that he's Billu.
Yeah, wow.
And that was a beautiful story. And one more was, one client of mine called me and said, Asha, I want to talk to a golden retriever dog whom I had during my childhood days. तब से मैं बात करना चाहती थी, but I was not able to. She's already married, she has a kid and all those stuffs now. And then we spoke on all the general messages and stuffs, and she said, would he ever come back to me? बहुत डर के पूछा उन्होंने. Then the retriever said that I'm already there with her.
Oh wow.
Doesn't she even realize that? I said, okay. Then I asked how. And he showed me a small little girl with 2 plaits. And I said this to her. She said, yes, Asha, I have a daughter. You know what? I never feel like a mom thing with her. And I'm always, I feel this companionship with her. And we are more bonded like a friend more than mom.
Wow.
So she was into tears. She called me after 2-3 days and gave me a validation. मुझे ये लगता था कहीं अंदर से कि जैसे मैं उसके साथ रहती थी वैसे ही मेरा इसके साथ कनेक्शन बना है. कभी कभी लगता था, but I would say no, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, and टाल देती थी. But this validation gives me a lot of strength and happiness now for my journey ahead.
Wow.
Is what she said.
And you answered my next question already. पता है अभी मेरे दिमाग में यही question आ रहा था कि क्या animals अपना animal form में ही आ सकते हैं या human form में आ सकते हैं, या क्या human animal form में आपके पास आके आपको बता सकता है कि you know, I was related this way to this person and now I'm in another form.
Right.
So that happens.
There was one general communication we had done. This was so beautiful. This is a beagle. The dad who wanted to ask like how she's connected to him, because there was something more than a connection, is what he said. When I asked her this, she says that his mom sent her to take care of him. Just this line, I'm getting goosebumps. because
Yeah.
he just validated to me that he lost his mom few years ago, and that's when the beagle came, and he was in a very bad condition. She showed me a well where that person is in the well, as if the beagle is coming and putting a rope to bring him out of it.
Yeah.
That's how the visuals came to me, and he said I was in a mess, and she came, everything sorted.
So I think that movie Dog's purpose is for real, right? They come in any form in your lives to make a difference, and it's just not about a dog. It could be any animal.
Yeah.
But is it only for pets or and dogs and cats? Yeah, you can talk to anyone and everyone.
Telepathy can be done with anything around you. Humans,
Anything?
anything.
Okay.
So when my headphones are missing, I just connect with my
No
headphones.
way.
Yes. Because I have a tendency to forget things.
Okay.
जहाँ पे भी मैं जाती हूँ घर पे ही कहीं पे रख दिया, कहीं कर दिया. You know, you connect to the energy of everything around you. Everything has an energy. This mic has an energy. This table, this sofa has an energy. If you have seen that you use a certain phone for certain time, and then आपको लगता है कि नहीं अभी change कर लूँगा, and then that phone comes with an energy to serve a purpose to you in your life at that point. We are not aware of it.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
I mean, I could think कि चलो plants, living creatures, but when you say thing, it's quite surprising. So
in human world, this is non-living, but in the other aspect to it, everything has vibrations.
Right.
The mountains, the stone, everything.
And no wonder you've taken your communication or telepathy to the next level, right? Let's talk about Bach therapy, the Bach flower therapy that you started, something that maybe लोगों को पता भी नहीं है, and the Bowen therapy that you do.
Right.
Tell me more about it.
Yeah. So Bach flower therapy is the extract of wild flowers. It always helps with the emotional aspect of a being.
Okay.
Not only for animals or dogs, it's for all of us, even for us. My first interaction with the camera when I started putting reels on my page, thanks to my shoot guru and their team who made me very comfortable. And I had Bach flower remedy for myself because of the fear I had in front of the camera.
Right.
So anything which is emotional, Bach flower remedies help a lot. So there are 38 different kind of flower extracts. According to a being's, person's or a pet's problem, we select the remedies which helps them, and then we make one remedy out of it and give them. So they need to consume it. Of course, it comes under holistic therapies. So that doesn't have side effects.
Right.
And this was found by Edward Bach back in 1930.
Right. And how about Bowen therapy?
Bowen therapy, I learned it because of my senior dog Sniffy Charlie and my horse Krishna.
Okay.
She's also senior horse. So Charlie को ना बहुत ज़्यादा आर्थराइटिस था.
अच्छा.
एक दिन ऐसा आ गया कि वो सिर्फ एक पैर उसका उठ रहा है, उठ नहीं पा रहा है. It was very traumatic for me to see him like that. And then along with his supplements जो भी है, Bowen therapy मैंने कराना शुरू किया. फिर वो अच्छे से चलने लगा. And then I felt like, what about my horse? I can't take her anywhere for Bowen therapy. So let me learn this. So that it's all, everything, whatever I have learned is for my animals and boarders and street dogs. But they have pushed me professionally into it, whichever they felt is good for me.
Yeah, I mean, I know that you used to work for a corporate firm. So corporate say, I would say, to a side which is more spiritual. I will call it spiritual, right? How has the journey been?
Oh, it was amazing. I had been working from home for about 13 years now, and with the same company. So I started doing animal communication. Now I think it's about 9 years.
Yeah.
So I had been doing this as a passion and also helping people, and it somehow moved into profession. I never realized, because we are supposed to take something in exchange of energy in whatever you do. It's very important. सबको energy balance होना चाहिए. आप सिर्फ free में करते नहीं रहना चाहिए. You need to take something in return.
Okay.
So that's how it all started, and yeah, from 2 years I said, can I take this full time? I didn't know how it will help me financially, because even I need financial independency.
Of course.
Then there was a sound, like I again spoke to the profession telepathically.
Oh.
I spoke to the profession of animal communication. Can I resign? Can you help me? Can you protect me financially? There was a yes.
Okay.
And I resigned. And you don't believe, thanks to whole animal community and nature and telepathy, whatever it is, they are taking care of me so very well, wherein I wouldn't have grown so much in my corporate job.
Sounds like magic, yeah? I mean, everything is energy and wow. क्या हर कोई ये कर सकता है?
कर सकते हैं. I think my experience, trust, surrender, let go.
Yeah.
These 3 things if we follow,
Yeah.
because हमें ट्रस्ट करना इस जिंदगी में, इस वर्ल्ड में हर किसी पे ट्रस्ट करना इज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क.
Yeah.
एंड समथिंग लाइक दिस, टेकिंग अ रिस्क
Yeah.
कि अरे मेरा लोन जाना है, इस महीने रेंट जाना है, ये जाना है, वो जाना है, पेट्स है, उनका खर्चे निकलने हैं, क्या मैं एनिमल कम्युनिकेशन फुल टाइम कैसे ले सकती हूँ? सो इफ यू are contemplating between this, then you can't. Animal has told me and Arun, whatever you do animal related, we are going to protect you, and we will never allow you to fall.
Wow.
So that's proven.
Yeah. And you know, बड़ा interesting सा question आ रहा है, because I've seen you grow, right? As you said, एक apartment से आपने start किया था. I think when I got muffin to you, you were in an independent house, and then you know, moving to a farmhouse, और अब आपके पास horses हैं, cows हैं, बहुत सारे strays का आप ख्याल रखते हो, आपकी खुद की dog, you know, you have 6 dogs now. ये सब एक purpose लेके आए हैं आपकी life में?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Absolutely.
And what do you think is the purpose?
They are all come for a different purpose.
Yeah?
Yeah. Each animal, I can say, they have come for very different purpose. And if you look back, if I look back in my journey, what Arun and me did is, हमें पता नहीं है क्यों ला रहे, क्या हो रहा है, but we are just bringing it.
Yeah.
We started believing that anything happens in our life is for a reason.
Okay.
Just surrender to the process, because universe is giving you the best for your good.
Right.
So we stopped opting. If अभी भी कोई आते हैं बोलते हैं कि मुझे animal communication करना है because I want to do it professionally, I want your guidance, how did you do? So I always say I didn't have an idea that I'm going to do it professionally. Not even bovine therapy. If I want to tell you, I wanted to learn bovine therapy for animals, but इन्होंने मुझे humans का सिखा दिया. Animals pushed me into human bovine therapy because it was a prerequisite to do animal bovine. So now I do bovine for humans also and animals also.
Okay.
So I believe in whatever animals are giving me.
Yeah.
So my belief is that. So every individual have their own belief system.
Yeah.
So surrendering to that belief system will help them grow is what I can say.
Yeah. अच्छा, एक practical सा question है, right? अब बहुत सारे boardings हो गए हैं, right? When you started, obviously इतने ज़्यादा नहीं थे, but ना boarding में छोड़ने से अभी भी डर लगता है, right? Because आपको नहीं पता कि जो रख रहे हैं उनको कितना expertise या experience है, and how do you know कि वहाँ पे जो दूसरे dogs हैं वो आपके dog को bite नहीं करेंगे, है ना? Because my dog has been personally, like, he's been bitten 5 times by a stray. And he is absolutely a non-aggressive dog.
Right.
So what all things should you consider before you send your pet to a boarding, and how do you choose the right boarding?
Right. So when we are coming from there, I would always ask a pet parent to first choose the right boarding by going there to the place, not on a call. Of course, on a call, you're vibing with the person. Vibing again is an energy.
Yeah.
Everything based on energy. So you feel okay, they are welcoming. I like. There is some kind of trust coming. Then go to the place. Take the vibe of the place. It's very important. जैसे हम भी जाते हैं ना कहीं कहीं पे हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता, हमें लगता है कब चलेंगे. Go to the place, go to the boarding, take the vibe, how you feeling, positive, negative, how is the person, what is his background, what is his purpose of running a boarding, who is taking care of your dog there personally. Leave the dog for a trial stay, because even the person who runs a boarding does not do a magic.
Yeah.
Even he is understanding your pet for the first time. Though he has so many years of experience, every pet is different, like the way we are different.
Yeah.
So I would suggest leave your pet for a trial stay where you are introducing them to something in their life, like the way they go for walk every day.
Yeah.
So give them a time to understand, trust the place, trust the humans, then it becomes a habit for them.
Okay.
So that is most important. And your baby is going to join the school now,
Yeah.
Vardhan.
Yeah.
So you don't know अगर वो इतने बच्चों के साथ रहेगा तो हम जैसे वहाँ बोलते हैं कि डॉग बाइट करेगा, स्नैप करेगा, आपको नहीं पता कि दूसरा बच्चा
Oh yes.
मारेगा या वरदान गिर जाएगा, लग जाएगा.
Of course.
So being a pet parent, I always tell them that be open to it.
Yeah.
Any point of time, Vardhan has to go to school.
Yeah.
And you can't keep him at home because you're overprotective. So make him more immune. Allow him to learn how to face the world.
Yeah.
That we will only learn जब बच्चे को वहाँ भेजेंगे. उनको बाइट होगा या स्क्रैच होगा, हम हैं वहाँ पे देखने के लिए.
Okay.
We can get the treatment done immediately. But what happens, जैसे बच्चे फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, एक सेकंड में लड़ लेते हैं, फिर ठीक हो जाते हैं, वैसे ही डॉग वर्ल्ड में भी there can be a possessiveness, there can be a झगड़ा where they are going to fight.
Right.
And वहाँ हाथापाई नहीं होगा, बाइट होगा, सीधा स्नैप होगा.
Right.
But that immediate attending to it is very necessary.
Okay.
ये नहीं कि बोर्डर कहीं और है या हेल्पर ध्यान नहीं दे रहा है, बाइट होके 10 दिन हो गए, फिर वहाँ पे इन्फेक्शन और बढ़ गया. This shouldn't happen.
Okay.
Things, accidents can happen,
Yeah.
but we make sure that we avoid those accidents, because हमारे घर में तो हमेशा हम लाइव कैमरा देखते रहते हैं. रात को मैं उठी होती हूँ and Arun in the day.
Yeah.
So but still मैं इस गार्डन में हूँ, उस गार्डन में डॉग्स को मैं देख रही हूँ यहाँ से, बट देर इज एन इंसिडेंट ऑल ऑफ अ सडन विच हैपेंड, मैं यहाँ से वहाँ भागने तक वो इंसिडेंट हो जाएगा.
Right.
सो टेकिंग केयर ऑफ इट लेटर इज ऑल्सो अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अ बोर्डर शुड हैव.
Right. Fair enough.
एंड ऑल्सो अपडेटिंग अ पेट पेरेंट कि क्या हो रहा है उनके पेट के साथ, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है.
True.
Yeah.
I think that is of great help. Asha, very interesting conversation. अब मेरे पॉडकास्ट का ना एक और बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग सा सेक्शन है विच इज़ अ रैपिड फायर राउंड बेसिकली, बट इट्स अ मिथ्स एंड फैक्ट राउंड. ओके, सो आई विल गिव यू अ स्टेटमेंट, आप बताना कि वो मिथ है या फैक्ट है, और अगर मिथ है तो फैक्ट क्या है, और अगर फैक्ट है तो पुट सम लाइट ऑन इट इन 2-3 sentences. Are you ready for it?
Yes. Very nervous but
Okay, so let's get started. Animal communicators are majorly psychic.
हाँ, देखो साइकिक्स एंड एनिमल कम्युनिकेशन में मेजरली एनर्जी वर्क होता है. वो भी एनर्जी से काम करते हैं, हम भी एनर्जी बेसिस पे ही काम करते हैं. मे बी वी आर टॉकिंग टू एनिमल्स थ्रू एनर्जी एंड एनिमल्स आर द मीडियम. वी आर यूजिंग एनिमल्स एनर्जी. हियर साइकिक्स आर वर्किंग ऑन द ह्यूमन एनर्जी.
Right.
So that's the difference. But otherwise, it's more or like the same.
It's a fact.
Energy work. Yeah.
Right. Animal communication से आप किसी भी एनिमल का बिहेवियरल प्रॉब्लम फिक्स कर सकते हो?
Unfortunately, no. Animal communication is not about fixing somebody's behavior. It's about knowing a perception of the pet, why that behavior exists,
Right. Okay.
to know the meaning of it. Also, I wanted to add, though it's a rapid fire round, missing animals के बारे में हमने बात किया था. I would like to tell everyone, animal communicators do not find missing animals. We only communicate, even in that scenario. We need to ask why the animal has gone missing. Because most of the times, animal would have gone missing to give some guidance. अपने आप चले जाते हैं.
हाँ.
और वो बोलते हैं, ब्लैकमेल भी करते हैं. बहुत सारे स्टोरीज है मेरे पास.
अच्छा.
ब्लैकमेल भी करते हैं कि तुम ये करोगे तभी मैं वापस आऊँगा. and some animals say मैं यहाँ जा रहा हूँ घूमने, मैं वापस आ जाऊँगा, which is a very difficult thing to trust in that situation.
Wow.
But many scenarios they have come back.
Oh,
इन सिनेरियोस में हम आपको लैंडमार्क्स नहीं दे सकते
right.
because we are communicating,
Right.
and we are not here to find animals, we are here to communicate with them
Got
and
it.
say whatever they are saying to you.
Right. Okay. Interesting. घूमने जा रहा हूँ. बता के चले जाओ यार. Animals only communicate with you if they know you.
Not really. So anything that we are doing in general life also, our intention should be right.
Right.
Intention and thoughts. Even in animal communication, suppose you are seeing a pet who is tied in a balcony and people are not caring for him. According to your perception, he's been tortured. So here, I am going and talking to that dog with an intention to help him or check, hey, not help him rather, I can say this, I am going with an intention to check with the dog whether he needs help. वो ठीक है या नहीं ठीक है, because we should not assume that इसको help करना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि उसका perception अलग हो सकता है.
Correct. Absolutely.
So, yeah.
Animals can talk to you in the same human language.
Okay. Unfortunately, humans are so dependable on verbal communication. Animals और nature world में ये verbalizing नहीं होता.
अच्छा.
It's all about your thoughts.
Right.
इसीलिए human से बात करना मुश्किल हो जाता है, क्योंकि उनका thoughts अलग होता है, जो वो आगे लेके आते हैं as a verbalization, वो अलग होता है. पीछे कुछ आगे कुछ. That's why it's difficult doing telepathy with humans.
Right.
लेकिन animals के साथ, whenever you want to talk, like you said, I keep talking to my dog. The thoughts, what you frame in your mind is already passed to your dog. You need not verbalize it.
Okay.
So it's all about thoughts, energies, and emotions.
Right.
There's no verbal
No verbal
Language,
as
yeah.
such. Okay. Animals का temperament is how the owner का temperament is.
Yeah.
It's a fact.
It can happen, because if animal feels that I need to bring a change in my human, then they can mirror. जैसे मैंने बोला, mirroring होती है.
Okay.
So the dog can say, I'm mirroring my human.
Okay.
My human, there are lot of stories where a dog said his human is introvert.
Okay.
The human had come to me saying that my dog doesn't play with other dogs. कैफे लेके जाऊंगी तो वो मेरे बगल में बैठा रहेगा. इसको क्या करना है? इसको happy रखना है मुझे. Please ask him. So the dog said, my human is an introvert. वो कहाँ मिलती है किसी से? छुट्टी है तो लैपटॉप के सामने बैठी रहती है. So I'm just following her, mirroring her. If she feels me being an introvert is a problem, then let her change, I will change.
Oh wow.
So they proudly mirror the human, or they say if it's a problem then you change.
Okay. So
Then
that
I'll
means
also
अगर
change.
कोई dog या pet aggressive है तो most likely
Can be.
human is also
Can be.
aggressive.
हाँ, assumption again वहाँ पे भी assumption नहीं करना है, but mirroring बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं. If in case they feel that there should be a change for a better growth.
Okay. All right. Bowen therapy is just about massaging.
No, it's a big myth. Massage नहीं होता Bowen therapy. Bowen therapy is working on the fascia of the body.
Okay.
Fascia is the connective tissue between our skin and the muscles. इन दोनों को connect करती है. And fascia runs all over our body. And it holds our body from head to the toe.
Right.
We have this perception that muscles holds our body. It's not muscles. The fascia holds our body, and we work on that fascia. जहाँ से जाता है ना, उसको हम gentle movements ऐसे करते हैं on specific points of the body. तो बहुत सारे problems जो other parts of the body में होता है, वो भी ठीक हो जाता है. So it's not a massage. We work on the fascia. It's a move.
Okay. So Bowen therapy is only to fix physical illnesses?
Bowen therapy is not only for physical illness. We work on the mental and emotional state of the being also.
Okay.
When you do a Bowen therapy, you can see a person can feel more lighter. This is very useful for those people who are anxious, who are stressed.
Okay.
Considering the lifestyle right now, every corporate person should get a Bowen therapy is what I feel.
Wow. I think this was a great rapid fire, Asha. Thank you so much. बहुत सारे लोगों के जो बहुत सारे assumptions हैं ना, वो definitely doubts भी clear हो जाएंगे. So thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you.
And friends, I hope you loved the episode today. आप लोगों ने कहा था animal communicator को ले आओ, मैं ले आई. I will tag her page. If you have anything to talk about, feel free to reach out, or you can put in your questions in the comment section and we'll try to answer those. Have a very, very good and blessed day. Thank you so much. Thank you, Asha.
Thank you.